Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I have a useful setting to share with you guys that you should enable right now. Also, don't forget to check out giveaway of this amazing military design from MD Watch Faces. Its link is down in description. Okay, so if you open a wearable app on your phone, under settings you will see safety and emergency. Here we have medical info tab and hard fall detection setting. First, make sure to fill out this medical info. This has all the necessary information like name, age, blood group and more. After that you will see hard fall detection option. Just turn it on. You can also check out some more settings here like countdown, play warning sound and when to detect hard fall. If you have any disease, it is suggested that you choose this always detect option. So enable this setting and save your life. Okay, now moving on to the watch face. This is MD330, available on Google Play Store. It offers this amazing military style design that has a ton of background information. We have total 3 subdials in the background showing most of the information like week meter highlighted here, battery percentage in this subdial that also has a little animation as you can see, while this subdial shows heart rate monitor. On this section we have sunset sunrise indicator with step counter and time. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of different settings here. Like first you can change color of information highlighted here. Then you can change index style. After that you can change theme of face. Then you can also change style of watch hands. Further few more options are present here with this face. So check it out. This is MD330, available on Google Play Store. For giveaway, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.